Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I am so ready to get this started. I'm going to be using a stability ball, and I'm also going to be using some weights. So of course it's always optional. Let's get started. I'm going to start with just basic squats. So let's grab some heavier weights. Whoa. All right, let's do this. It's deep and controlled. Back is straight, shoulders are back. Come down and up. There we go. Nice and slow and controlled. You know, I don't talk much, so I hope you guys were already warmed up and ready for me this morning. Oh yeah. So yesterday was awesome. So many people are so ready to feel great, and those that are already feeling great with ketones. All right, here we go. I'm gonna grab my ball. And I'm gonna work the upper body. All right. What am I doing? I'm going with balls. Back. All right. So I'm gonna sit on my ball. Here we go. So today we've got a flash sale on limeade. Who loves limeade? Oh my gosh, who doesn't love limeade? Limeade ketones are freaking phenomenal. I gotta tell you guys, my girlfriend Angie came over last night. I really hope she makes her debut this morning. And stoked me out on some other flavors of ketones. I am so excited. All right, 4, 3, 2, I'm squeezing my butt. All right, there we go. Last one. Boom. All right, girls, let's do this. Okay, I'm turning around. It's a little bit in the hamstrings. I'm hitched over just a little bit, and I'm pulling up. My back is flat. All right, so exhale as you pull the weights up, squeezing the shoulder blades. Notice my hands are close to my thighs, to my quads. Bam. All right, I'm going right back into the squats. I'm grabbing my heavier weights. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. So the weight is staying about the middle of my foot or in my heel, so I'm driving the heels down. My back is flat. I'm squeezing the tush as I come up. Okay, back to bench press. All right, grab your weights. All right, you guys ready? Everyone into position. Get your ball, or you can do these on the floor, you don't need a ball. Here we go. You know, using the ball actually makes it a little bit of more challenging workout because you have to balance. I have my head, neck, and shoulders on the ball. I'm driving the hips up, squeezing the butt, the tush. My knees are parallel to my hips, they're not too wide. One more. Awesome. Dumbbell reverse row. Let's do it. And keeping the 12s. Feet are hip width and parallel. Here we go. Pitch over and lift. Lift. All right, guys. Our goal is building today. All right. So we're going lower rep, higher weight. And if you don't have weights at home, that's okay. Use your own body strength. Squeeze all the muscle you have. Everything. Last one. All right. Okay, one more round of these 3 and then we're moving on. Good? All right, let's do this. Drop it as low as you can this time. 90-degree angle. As you come up, give me that extra squeeze as you come up at the top, okay? Focus on that. Halfway done. One more. On your back. Bench press. Let's go, guys. Whew. When you're done with these, I want you guys to comment below what you thought about this whole little tiny circuit, okay? Head and shoulders on the ball. I'm ready to go. You? Hips up. Press. Woo! Everything's done in control. Come on, I could probably go a little heavier. I think that you can out. This is good though. Come on. It's all in there. Come on, let's go. Last one. All right, reverse grip row. Let's go. Who's on? Elena, go to work. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lift and squeeze your back. All right, so make sure your abdominals are held in tight. That's protection for your lower back. Form is key. If you're getting tired, just stop and then get back into it. Last one. Bam. All right. Awesome. Track those weights. If you use those weights, track them. Put them on your notes, on your phone, on your iPad, whatever you're using. Remember, it's important what you're lifting each time. So you guys can do these again in 2 days. Add them to your workout, okay? Keep it changed up every time. I love you guys so much. Okay, you have to get it. If you haven't tried it, just trust me, have faith. Go on the website and get that stuff. It's going to fire your brain up. You're gonna sleep like a freaking bear. Your skin's gonna start looking amazing. You're gonna lose the fat that you don't need. Come on, and your skin will be stronger. Preserve your muscle or gain the muscle that you want. So let's do it, guys. Have an awesome day.